Hey guys, so we'll be talking about a failing key fob battery. So now I will be showing you guys one, how to replace the battery on the Mercedes key. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that. So if you have a Mercedes, stay tuned, and I'll be doing other videos on different keys of different cars. So you have to be connected. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video concerning cars.
To remove this key holder and this key inside, you have to slide that black dot, slide it to the side, then pull up the key. Now that you have pulled up the key, you look inside, just inside, you will notice a clip. There's a clip in there that holds down that black back cover. So you use that key and press the clip. Yes, you press it, you notice the back just pulled up. You will now pull it off. That is it. It's very simple as that.
If you are experiencing difficulty in locking or unlocking your car from a distance, from a far range, or having it inconsistent locking in a close range, or when you press on the button, some keys blinks light, used to bring out a little light, and you notice that light is not coming up when you press it. And some cars also, you keep getting a warning on your dashboard. The cars that have the push to start features will say key not dictated while the key is close to the ignition. So all these things, all these symptoms are pointing towards a bad or a failing key fob battery. When the battery is down, when the battery is weak, it will be showing all of those things. So it's not something you should panic about, and it's not something that requires you to spend a lot of money to figure it out. It's just for you to replace the battery in your key. That's all you need. That's all you need. My customer will be like, my car is not locking, I have difficulty in locking my car from afar, this and that. It's okay, don't worry, do this. That is it. So it's something you can do yourself, even at your home.
So you get another battery. This is the new battery which we are about to insert in. So you fit in the battery properly how it should be. This is it. Then take a look at that edge. Take a look at that edge. That was the thing we pressed in that made the cover to pop out. Yeah, that is it. That's the edge. That is it. Take a look at it. So that was the thing you pressed with the key that made the cover to pop out. Yeah. So you cover it properly.
See you in the next video.